Alright, I've unboxed it, I've unwrapped all the stickers, I even sized up the watch for my 6-inch or 15.2 centimeters wrist. So yes, this is a quick look after the unboxing of this watch. So the model number is TW2W70800. So this is the Timex 1983 E-line model. I'm not sure why it's called an E-line on their website, but basically it's a Timex 1983. If you're interested to get one, just Google Timex 1983. The watch is made in China. The assembly is made in China, but it comes with a so-called Japanese movement, which is a Miyota 8500 series. So yeah, I can basically hear, not sure if you guys can hear that, but there's a kind of a noisy rotor noise that is quite signature to a Miyota movement. So I managed to get the watch sized up pretty quickly because it comes with this, first of all, this elastic band. And when you want to size it, you can just flip the watch over. Yeah, it feels like I'm gonna break it, but yeah, I can just flip the watch over and I'm not gonna do anything here. But these are the spare links, right? Look at it. You can do it fairly quickly, so you just have to press. Let's say I need to remove this, I need to press on this part. It's out. All right, so it's like a collapsible design. You can see that when I squeeze it, it kind of shrinks in, and then when I want to put it back again, I just squeeze this, I slot it in, oops, in, yep, and that's it. So this part itself, it's not kind of elastic, it's fixed, you cannot stretch this, but the rest of the band here is elastic, so it is awesome. So why don't I put it on my wrist and we'll wrap this video up. Alright, so this is how the watch look on my 6-inch or 15.2 centimeters wrist. I think it's kind of snuggy. It's quite comfortable to be fair, and I may have a tiny little hairs on my wrist, but at the back not so much, but I don't feel that it's gonna grab any hair. But let's say if you wear it quite tight, if you were to pull it, drop it back again, you can kind of feel that it may want to pinch on your skin, right? Imagine, let's say if I were to pull this or put it back, when it's collapsing, you can see now it's pinching part of my skin, but it's not bad. I'm just like, quickly move it and it's good. So I like the size. It's kind of compact. I think it's stated as a 34mm watch, so it wears rather nice. But of course, a square or rectangular watch typically wears larger. So yeah, this is how it looks on my 6-inch or 15.2 centimeter wrist. And I still have, say, 4 removable links, 4 or 5. Oh, okay, should be 4. I didn't count. Yeah, 4 or 5. So if you have a slightly smaller wrist than mine, I think you can still be able to wear this. So that's it for this video, for this quick unboxing or quick first look video, whatever you want to call it. I will do a full review later on. So if you're interested to know more about the watch, please remember to subscribe to my channel. Take care, stay safe, bye.